Are you ready, Max? You can keep fucking around.
I'm ready.
Oh, can you hear me now?
Junior, get back on your side of the couch.
Can you hear me now?
You were touching the middle cushion.
Whoops.
Yeah, don't come back over here. What's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offices. Custom Offices TV on the YouTube with Junior. He's on his side of the couch. I'm on my side of the couch because two dudes on one black couch in front of a camera just has to be done this way. Don't get closer. You can tell them what we're doing?
So we're doing From the Gallery. What this consists of is us rating your vehicles, and a lot of you guys have submitted. We also pull from our gallery, which is customoffices.com/gallery. There's like almost 50,000 trucks in there right now. Bankers wondering what we are doing. We are doing From the Gallery. We pick 5 vehicles. We rate them on a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being the best, 5 being mediocre, and 0 being, yeah.
Yeah, which we do have to say, we do appreciate all builds. This is like my personal opinion, Junior's personal opinion, but we'll take just about anybody in our gallery because trucks are cool.
Yeah. We've actually had so many requests that some of you guys are gonna have to be next week's episode as well, because we only do 5 at a time so that you guys can watch them all. We can kind of get into the builds a little bit and explain what we like, what we don't like. Yeah.
All right, let's jump into it.
You wanna turn your notifications off?
Well, that's my girlfriend.
That was your mom.
No, it says the girlfriend. That's her name.
Girlfriend number 1. You can't.
Literally in the middle of a video right now, and now you are in it. Congrats. Guarantee she replies. All right, let's go to the first one. Oh, baby. This is a 2004 Ford F-150. It's on Hostile Havocs, 20 by 12, negative 44, on some Lexanis, stretched, 275 40s. And looks like he's probably got the Bilstein shocks, but it's stock suspension.
I'm guessing it's reverse
and
lowered.
lowered.
Scroll down.
Question mark. Let's see what we got. So it's a 2-wheel drive.
I'd hope so, being that.
All right, so he's got lowering control arms, an axle flip, lowering leaf spring. So it's basically a 3-inch front drop, 6-inch rear drop.
That's awesome.
It is awesome. We don't see a lot of 2-wheel drive trucks, or lowered trucks, I guess, on custom offsets.
Or if they are lowered, they don't have stands like that.
It got dominated with lifted trucks. This thing's actually kind of cool.
What are those called? It's not a single cab, it's like a...
I don't know. It's like a little bit bigger than a single cab, but it's not an extended
cab.
cab.
It's a single cab still, right.
It's like a 2 plus 2 without the 2. It's a 2 plus 1. All right, so he's got some stands. He's got fender flares on here too. It's almost like more like a wide body kit than like fender flares. They're black. He's got the roof black, taillights blacked out.
Yeah, so it's like a dark gray and black like theme going on.
Kind of like those headlights actually. He's got a grill, light bar in it.
Oh, he's got cubes in the bumpers so that when he goes off-roading.
Oh, for off-road, yeah, right, true. It's actually pretty sweet. All right, ready for numbers?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
7.
Oh, I didn't pick one. I counted down. I think 7's good. I'll go with a 7.
Okay, why do you think it's a 7? Because I said it's a 7?
Yeah. It's actually done really nice, like for, I don't know, like there's a lot of stuff going on, but it works decently well. I'd personally want it like paint matched. It would get a bigger score for me if it was paint matched, higher score. But overall, I do like the way it looks, and like 20 by 12s on a truck with a 3.6 drop is impressive, especially because they're negative 44s. It's not like 12 wides that are tubbed in there.
Right, and the other thing too is like, so there's like suspension work done to make it look low, but it doesn't look like it. So like someone going on the road, sure it looks low, but people like know that it's like a 3.6 drop type of thing.
Right.
Like there's more into it to make it sit how it does, and those rears are pretty low.
The only other thing that I'd like to do to this truck is throw like a 76 mil turbo on it.
I was gonna say supercharger. Then it'd be perfect.
But that's it, yeah. I think we can agree on 7 there. Go to the next one. All right, this is 2016 GMC Sierra 2500, 26 by 14 American Forces, ballin'. Fuel mud grippers, the 40 by 1550s, and he's got bigger than a 12-inch lift.
Cognito.
Yeah.
Let's look through these photos.
All right. This thing's huge.
Oh my
I love
God.
the snow pictures.
Look at that. Go back to the other picture. Look at the hitch, the third one there.
That is one heck of a drop hitch. Whoa, wowzers. All right, so first thing I love about this is, all right, so he's running American Forces, right? Here's a picture of him in the snow, and then here's a picture of it all sorts of dusty. Like, he actually still uses his truck, even though he's got forces, and that's just awesome. Look how packed his front cross member is from snow.
He went through
so,
something.
like, he's going through giant snowbanks with this thing, which is exactly what I would do if I had this truck. Let's see what he's got for... So, 12-inch Cognito, and then the Fox 2.0 reservoirs, and he's got bags in the back as well. So, slight rub at full term, and he still has minor metal trimming, even with the front bumper. So all of his clearance in the front comes from that bumper, but he still rubs in the back. 1.5-inch spacers in the rear. All right, cool. I've seen everything I need to see.
This is like my favorite body style truck, period.
I don't want to know that, because now my rating could be skewed.
Okay.
All right, you count this time.
5, 2, 1, 9.5.
10.
The fender flares are the one thing.
I don't mind it.
I'm not so it doesn't look bad on the truck, but me personally, I'm not a fan of the fender flares.
Yeah.
I would rather have that 14 wide sticking out as much as possible.
Sure.
That's just me, but it's like perfect.
It looks good.
And he's all blacked out too. That's the other thing. So like his forces aren't polished; they're painted, and so the whole thing's murdered out. But the wheels are still big enough that it's not like blacked out like So bankers is like 20s on 35s, right? But it like
Right.
looks more off-roady. He's still running like 26s. So
It's
like
still
you
a
can
like show
see the
truck
wheel.
look.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's sweet. The only thing that like sucks about when you end up paying.
God,
I
get
forgot-
outta here.
I forgot you had that hat on. So, American Forces, you actually pay more to get them black
Yeah.
than you do polished.
Oh, sorry.
So it's like, yeah, you better stay on your side. You spend all that money on Forces, and like everybody can easily identify polished Forces, but the black American Forces look similar to a lot of other wheels. So
Yeah.
like,
It's
that
not like
part
they stand
kinda
out that
sucks.
much more for being black. People might mistake it as
Yeah.
something else type of thing, but in that big of a size, it looks awesome.
Still got 26s. It's cool.
Yeah.
All right, next one. Oh, back to the Jeep life. 2007 Jeep Wrangler, so it's the JK. 20 by 12 moto metals, negative 44 offset on those. General grabber tires. I've actually heard pretty good things about
37s
those.
though.
Yep. And he's only got a 3.5-inch rough country on there.
Gotta love Jeeps.
Welcome to Jeep life. It looks like he's got new fenders on here.
Yep.
So that allows him to fit that, plus the stubby front bumper. Some good pictures on here. A couple Snapchat pictures, but a couple good shots too. Clearly uses it. Doors off.
Wait, did the first one not have? Oh, it does have that. What is that called? A fucking.
Well, so it's like a trail back, but in this one is like
that's
a
like
soft
a
top.
cattle prod though. What is that thing called in the front?
Oh, a bull bar?
Isn't it called something else though? It is a bull bar. I get that, but there's like another name for the ones that are like huge and looping. Like
Moving on.
I'm not gonna get over this.
You need to get over it. Okay, so 3.5-inch rough country, no rubbing, no trimming.
Jeep Stinger. The first thing that comes up is all. of
Okay,
these.
all right, I get it. Jeep
It's a Stinger. It's got a Stinger on the front.
He's got 1.5-inch wheel spacers all the way around also, so this thing has some pretty wicked stance. You got the old school KC daylighters on there with cubes up top, kind of a blend.
And the doors are off in the one photo.
Yep, in the one photo. All right, are you ready?
No.
I need you to pick a number by the time I count down. 3, 2, 1.
6.
6.
I don't like Jeeps.
How can you not like Jeep? The freedom of taking the doors off and the top off and just going wherever you want, except on the highway because it's terribly scary.
I don't know. So like, okay, so let me break this down. I like the
All
front
right.
of it. I like the bumper. I like the Stinger on the front of it. I like all the lights up the pillars. I like the turtle back or whatever it's called in the back. The doors off. Like this is the perfect picture. This is what you want a Jeep to be. But Jeeps have looked the same for the last like 30 years.
But they haven't.
They have.
I mean, they're similar, but they're not the same. The only reason why, so I gave it an 8. I would give it a higher rating if it wasn't 20 by 12s and 37s.
Do you want like 17 by 9s and 37s?
Yep. Yeah, little less wheel. It's a Jeep. You gotta embrace that Jeep life, which he clearly off-roads it.
Yeah.
So like, I'm not talking trash on this guy, but that's what I would do. So he's got an 8. We'll grab the next guy. Jesus. 2004 Toyota Tacoma. The Extreme Mudders. These have been like more popular. I see more people running these.
Yeah, it's a lot of their designs are super like forged looking, super thin spokes, super
and they're
clean.
not very expensive, if I recall right. So 24 by 14, negative 76. He's got the amps, 35 by 13.5. Rubber bands on here. His lift kit has some issues here. Let's see what it's got. So a 6-inch FabTech and a leveling kit.
And a body lift.
And a body lift. Stacking on stacking on stacking. Bigger than 2-inch wheel spacers. Doesn't say what, just says bigger than 2 inches. That's so wide. And it's just a little tiny Tacoma. With an axle dump.
Hell yeah.
TRD. Nice.
Probably got a 4BT swap.
I feel like he would say that. And he didn't say that. You ready?
Yep.
Go for it. Count her down.
10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That
6.
was so fast. 4.
4?
Yeah. Yep.
Ouch. So I would have gave it a higher score, but that body lift. I am not a fan of body lifts by any means.
Yeah.
Although his he got the bumper relocation things clearly because his bumper's not hanging down 3 inches. That's my biggest gripe with them is that, but like.
Yeah, you do have the big space here.
Yeah. It's just, I've never been one to go after body lifts or like look into them or be interested in them at all by any means. It's.
So it just, for me, the 4, it just doesn't look proportional to me. Like the 24s on a Tacoma that's huge.
See, I love that. That's the part I love about it is the wheel and tire setup.
That's crazy. I mean, like I like the wheel and tire setup, but on this truck, I feel like it's just like
it's ginormous.
It's too much. And these older Tacomas, I guess it depends what engine he's got in here, and he does have the TRD, but these things were kind of underpowered. So I would imagine that even though these are only 35s, they look huge on here because the truck's so small, but they're only 35s. It probably has quite a bit of power loss, just like trying to get this thing moving.
I don't think he uses it for any drag strips.
Well, still. So that's why. That's why.
I can't believe he's running greater than 2-inch spacers on all of that too.
I know.
That's insane.
And you looking like you see like tiny little hubs, tiny little brakes. And this poor truck.
I still like it though.
Okay, that's fine. Ooh, wow.
OBS
That's
love.
interesting. Oh, there's only one photo. 1997 Ford F-250. XD Riots, 22 by 14, negative 76. Toyo Open Country, 37 by 13.5, and an 8-inch Rough Country. And it's like Tiffany blue / teal. But I like it. I like it a lot.
Max for picking a truck with only one photo.
Well, you see, Max didn't pick these. Taylor picked these.
That explains it.
Which is probably why she picked the white and Tiffany F-250. It's super clean. This is very nice. He painted the grill and everything, like the inserts, but not the chrome fascia. He's got, did he paint the hubs? And then he's also got painted spike lugs?
Well, he probably doesn't have center caps on there for the manual lockers.
Right, yeah. But it looks like they're painted because they're white.
Oh,
They wouldn't usually be white. No rubbing, no trimming, no spacers. Not a whole lot to look at because there's only one
22s
picture.
and 37s.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready.
This is a tough one. Okay.
Count it down, Max. Max was sleeping. I had to make sure he was still alive. 3, 2, 1, 9.
9. That's pretty high up there.
I love me some OBS Fords.
Yeah.
So it's like super clean. On 37s, I'd want like a 24-inch wheel, but because it's an OBS, I kind of like that it's got not small wheels and big
they're
tires.
still 22s.
Right, but it's like more proportional for the old school style that it's got and everything.
I could see 24s on this though.
Yeah, oh yeah.
And
absolutely.
I'm not a big wheel guy. I'm a big wheel guy. I'm not a big wheel guy.
Yes, there you go. It's just done extremely well and it's super clean, which like, if it was all like blacked out or something, it might not stand out as much, but that color I think is what like does it.
It really stands out.
And like the mods done to it are very like simple. It's got an 8-inch lift, 22 by 14s and 37s, and then it looks like it's got cleared out headlights and then painted to match grill.
Yeah, a lot of it's just like paint stuff.
And it's like,
and he's got like all the original chrome trim, the chrome mirror caps, so like it ties in really well with the chrome wheels. It looks really good. I guess I don't really have much of a valid reason for a 7 other than like, it's just I know sometimes you just look at stuff and it's not exactly what you want.
And the beauty of this body style, as you can see, it's the exact same truck slammed to the ground on air ride, and it would look just as good.
Yeah, that would be pretty sweet. Everybody flipped out last time when I was like, hey, Junior's building a Bronco, and the comments were filled with people that are like, what, a Bronco? So I just had to bring it up again.
The time's coming.
Soon. All right, so that is it. Those are the 5 trucks. Like we mentioned, there's a ton of people that sent us emails or dropped links in the comments. So if you want your vehicle featured, go ahead and put it in there or send us an email with a link to your vehicle in the gallery. Just add it at customoffsets.com/ad. There's a good chance you get featured in one of these videos. We're bringing the people who didn't make it this week, next week, or next time we film this, or whenever it goes up.
It's gonna be awesome.
Gonna be
Make
sweet.
sure to like, share, and subscribe on the YouTube, youtube.com/customoffsetstv. That's all I got for you.
Peace.